Well, we would like to show that we can upgrade the cluster from TMC. And right now, because the cluster that we created was in 1.25, the only version that we can upgrade to is 1.26, even though TMC has added the support for 1.27 recently. So eventually you'll be able to upgrade this cluster from 1.26 to 1.27 as well. And one thing to something that is different over here is you can upgrade the same cluster using Terraform, using Tanzu CLI, or using the UI. So you'll notice that in this section, there's an error over there saying that there isn't enough healthy nodes for one of the pods to run. So we are scaling the node pool in EKS using TMC UI. Also, something to notice that we provide EBS CSI driver support add-on out of the box, which has been installed on this cluster, and that's the pod which is in complaining that there's not enough node for the pod to run. So we have scaled the nodes using TMC UI, and eventually you should see one extra node created on this, and the error would disappear after a while. So you see this is a new node which was created 11 seconds ago, and you can see the different status of the different pods. The CNI, VPC CNI, which is being used in EKS, is not ready yet. It's a daemon set, so it will take a couple of seconds for it to be ready. And you can see that we show the same upgrade available status for EKS, because even in EKS, we can go all the way up till 1.27, because that's the latest version that's supported in EKS. Something to notice here, while upgrading a cluster in EKS, you would have to upgrade the node control plane separately, and then the individual node pools within that control plane, as well as the add-ons which are within the cluster separately. But using TMC's single click support, what you can do is when you say, I want to upgrade a cluster, TMC will make sure to upgrade the control plane, the EKS supported add-ons on the cluster, as well as the node pools that are attached to the cluster. So in this case, we have initiated the control plane upgrade, and eventually you would see the node pool going into upgrading state. Let's come back to our AKS cluster. We can see that the node pool is being upgraded. You can see the new nodes. I'm just forwarding these things right now. The health says it's in warning, just it's a short warning that comes because of the churn that we see on the cluster when the new node comes up and the old node goes down, but nothing major. So back to the EKS cluster here, and I'll show that the node pool is in upgrading state because we have completed the control plane upgrade here. And if you look at the EKS add-ons, you'd see the EKS add-ons upgraded from whichever version they were into the latest supported version for the specific Kubernetes version. So this is done by TMC for you.